Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Can I pay cash into a Monese account? Before I get into the answer, I want to take a moment to talk about what Monese is. Monese is a mobile-only bank that offers a range of financial services, including current accounts, debit cards, and international transfers. Monese is a great option for people who are looking for a convenient and affordable way to manage their money. Answer. The short answer is no, you cannot pay cash directly into a Monese account. However, there are a few ways that you can add money to your account. Bank transfer. You can transfer money from your existing bank account to your Monese account. This is the easiest and most straightforward way to add money to your account. PayPoint. You can pay cash into your Monese account at any PayPoint location in the UK. PayPoint is a network of over 55,000 retailers, including newsagents, convenience stores, and post offices. Top-up voucher. You can buy a Monese top-up voucher from a retailer and then use it to add money to your account. Additional information. Monese does not charge any fees for adding money to your account using any of the methods listed above. The maximum amount that you can add to your account at once is £2,500. If you are adding money to your account using a PayPoint location, you will need to provide your Monese account number and PIN. If you are adding money to your account using a top-up voucher, you will need to scratch off the back of the voucher to reveal a code, and then enter this code into your Monese app. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.